How do you formulate a research question? Have you ever wondered how researchers come up with the questions that drive their studies? In anthropology, formulating a research question is an art that connects human behavior with creativity and innovation. Let's break down the steps involved in crafting a meaningful research question. First, you need to identify a subject that piques your interest. Think about broad topics within anthropology like cultural practices, social interactions, or how innovation occurs in different societies. This initial step is essential because it sets the foundation for your research. Next, conduct some preliminary research. Dive into existing studies, ethnographic accounts, and theoretical frameworks related to your chosen topic. This helps you see where knowledge gaps exist and where your research can contribute something new. Now it's time to ask open-ended questions. Use broad how and why questions to dig deeper into your topic. These types of questions encourage you to investigate processes, meanings, and relationships instead of just looking for simple yes or no answers. Once you have some open-ended questions, narrow your focus. Specify key concepts, populations, or settings to make your question more manageable. For example, instead of asking, "How do people innovate?" you might ask, "How do indigenous communities in the Amazon develop new agricultural techniques in response to environmental changes?" This makes your research more targeted and meaningful. Incorporate anthropological theory into your question. Use relevant theories like cultural ecology or symbolic interactionism to frame your inquiry. This gives you a structured way to interpret human behavior and cultural patterns. Now, formulate a clear and concise question. Write it in a way that clearly states what you aim to investigate. It should guide your research design while still allowing room for exploration. For instance, what role does storytelling play in preserving cultural identity among the Maasai? Finally, consider the practical implications of your question. Reflect on how answering it could impact our understanding of human behavior or contribute to fields like education or community development. In anthropology, research questions often arise from ethnographic fieldwork. Engaging in participant observation and interviews reveals lived experiences and cultural nuances. These methods help refine your questions to capture the essence of human creativity and innovation in context. Well-formulated research questions can lead to designing interview guides, selecting appropriate research methods, and developing hypotheses about cultural dynamics. A strong research question also directs ethical considerations and engagement strategies with the communities you study. So, the next time you think about how to formulate a research question, remember it is a journey from broad curiosity about human behavior to a focused inquiry that integrates cultural context and theoretical insight. This process is all about mastering the art of questioning in the fascinating world of anthropology.